Initially a dominion of the British Commonwealth, Pakistan officially drafted its constitution in 1956 and emerged as a declared Islamic republic. In 1971, the exclave of East Pakistan seceded as the new country of Bangladesh after a 9-month-long civil war. In the following 4 decades, Pakistan has been ruled by governments whose descriptions, although complex, commonly alternated between civilian and military, democratic and authoritarian, relatively secular and Islamist Pakistan elected a civilian government in 2008, and in 2010 adopted a parliamentary system with periodic elections. Pakistan is a middle power nation and has the world's 6th largest standing armed forces. It is a declared nuclear weapons state and is ranked amongst the emerging and growth-leading economies with a large and rapidly growing middle class. Pakistan's political history since independence has been characterized by periods of significant economic and military growth, as well as those of political and economic instability. It is an ethnically and linguistically diverse country, with similarly diverse geography and wildlife. The country continues to face challenges, including poverty, illiteracy, corruption, and terrorism.